Hey guys, what's going on? It is your boy Twitter Wicked here. We're back with a new video. It's been a long time. I know. Chill out. So this video I'm about to upload right now did not have an intro to it. An intro to it, sure, whatever. This is when I cut off my resonator and muffler on my BMW. I was gonna wait to post this until after I got the exhaust finished and had like the pipe welded on out the back. I haven't got to that point yet, so I'm like, forget it. I'll just upload this video with just a chop exhaust. So this is a BMW 330i with a resonator and muffler delete. Yeah, hope you enjoy. Peace.